Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the rear AC cabin air filter on this X7. This is the part number for the filter. Now this filter should not be confused with the cabin air filter that you'll find on the passenger side. This is kind of a hidden filter that not many people are going to know about, so I thought to make a video to let you know exactly how to replace it and where it's located. You're going to find it in the trunk area on the rear left side of the storage compartment right here. So let's jump right into it. So as you see here, it's a pretty standard BMW air filter. It looks the same as any other filter. It's going to have its directional arrows just as any other filter, and the good thing about this filter is you don't need any tools to replace it. So you're going to want to remove this cover right here. Just push down on this little clip and you remove it, and you're going to find a air duct right here for the AC. Now you're going to see the arrow that shows up to open, but you're actually going to pull it down and then away. So pull down and then lift up, and you should get it out. Right behind, you'll see the cover for the AC cabin air filter for the rear. So to remove the cover, you just want to lift up on this tab right here, and it'll come right out, and you'll see that the filter is right inside. You're going to want to notice these 4 little tabs. These are going to be installed in this order right here. When you go to reinstall this cover, just match them up to these tabs and slide down. And you'll see that the arrow for the AC filter is going to be pointing towards the front of the vehicle or to the right. Just go ahead and pull it out. And when you install the new one, here are the arrows pointing towards the right side or the front of the vehicle. Now to install it, you're going to want to go at an angle, not straight up and down. So if you go try to do it straight up and down like this, it's not going to fit. So go sideways first, slide it in, and then turn it while it's inside the housing. And it'll slip right into place. There you go. So just make sure your arrows are in the correct direction. And now for the cover, once again, these little pins, you notice the tab right here is going to be on top and there's no tab at the bottom. So just match up your pins to the clips. You want to put it right above, make it flat. Make sure that cover is sitting flat, and then slide down. And it'll lock the whole thing in place. Now to install the AC air ducting, make sure the open sign is going to be pointing towards the top and the close towards the bottom. Before we install it, take a look down underneath and make sure that the air ducting is not behind this part right here. So you're going to have to pull on this in case it is and bring it out. Otherwise the air ducting that we install isn't going to fit. So you want to make sure this is free of movement. And then we can go ahead and slide over the air ducting. And you're just going to want to push down and slide it into place on the top. And then if it's installed correctly, you should have this free movement like this. Just take a look underneath and make sure everything looks good. And that's pretty much it. Then you just reinstall the cover, and that's all. So if you liked the video, please leave a like. If I helped you save some money, or if you learned something, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.